iRobot Roomba 675, which we consider the runner-up best budget robot vacuum in 2024 based on user reviews and experiences. In today's connected world, the Roomba 675 stands out with its smart features, offering a convenient way to keep your home clean. Its Wi-Fi connectivity and voice assistant compatibility make it a modern and efficient cleaning solution. The Roomba 675 boasts a sleek design and reliable performance. Its patented three-stage cleaning system is designed to remove, lift, and vacuum everything from small particles to large debris on both carpets and hard floors. You can start cleaning or schedule sessions from anywhere using the iRobot Home app or simply press the Clean button on the device. The vacuum covers an area of around 60 meters with a battery life of about 60 minutes, depending on the dirt and floor type. It also features a responsive navigation system that intelligently guides it around obstacles and irregularities, ensuring it returns to its home base when the cleaning cycle is complete. The Roomba 675's three-stage cleaning system effectively loosens, lifts, and vacuums dirt, dust, and hair from various surfaces. Patented dirt detect sensors alert it to focus on high-traffic areas where dirt concentrates. It employs two rollers, one bristle and one rubber, to pick up dust, dirt, and larger debris, providing a thorough clean. Additionally, the edge cleaning brush, angled at 27 degrees, ensures dirt is removed from edges and corners. You can connect the Roomba 675 to Wi-Fi to activate cleaning from anywhere throughout the iRobot Home app. Alternatively, you can manually start the cleaning cycle by pressing the central Clean button or scheduling the cleaning time via the app. The iRobot Roomba 675 combines advanced technology, efficient cleaning, and user-friendly features, making it an excellent choice for budget-conscious consumers seeking a smart cleaning solution. Thumbs up!